Today is June 5th. There are 100 escaped prisoners out there looking for us.
We better split up, guys. It's not safe to be together.
I need to tell my brother. He could be in danger.
Daniel?
Something's gonna happen.
Melvin, my brother. What are you doing?
What are you doing here? Thought you were with the rest of the spy ninjas having fun.
Yeah, our electricity is out. Why are you playing nothing?
I'd rather be here in the safe house where I'm comfortable instead of with the spy ninjas trying to evade Peters.
What's been up with you, bro? Why you been down in the dumps lately?
I'm just not feeling it, okay? This past week, I've just felt like I didn't belong.
It's gonna get better.
Brother.
What? Did you come back here to try to console me and make me feel better and eventually go back to everybody?
Well, yes, but more importantly, I care about you and your heart. I'm a little worried, okay? I know you. You get in your mood sometimes.
And that's fine. And now my mood, right now, is playing imaginary puzzle fighter. See, look, are you editing this? Regina, put the puzzle fighter on and then track it.
No, that's so much work for your editor. You used to love being a spy ninja.
Well, I still do, but right now I love it less.
But Melvin, you should be with us for your own safety. Peters, remember? He sent us a message. Something huge is happening today. It's today.
Yeah, well, Peters is pee-pee poo-poo. I have a life to live, Regina. I don't want to live it in fear of Agent Peters and his prisoners.
Melvin, we are spy ninjas. We are doing this for the good of society, not just for us. Think of all the spy ninjas at home.
What about the spy ninjas at home? They don't have to deal with any of this stuff that we do.
Yeah, that's our job, Melvin. We're spy ninjas.
Regina, I think you just need to go back to the spy ninjas where you belong. I need some time off.
Melvin, come on, you belong.
No, Regina, I do what I want. Remember the spy ninja tenet of individuality? I want to be by my individual right now.
Melvin, not everything is about you all the time, okay? There's something bigger going on in the world right now.
Oh yeah, what? You and Daniel becoming the hottest couple? Chad and Beast saving the world? Well, yeah, where do I fit in all of this? I don't!
Yes, you do! Who cares if we're the hottest couple? What the heck? You belong! Just because you're single doesn't mean you don't belong.
I want to stay here and pretend to play Puzzle Fighter!
No, you're so stubborn.
Well, you're scared!
Of what?
Of Peters and his prisoners and potentially breakups.
I've had enough of you, Melvin.
And I've had enough of you, Regina.
Have fun by yourself.
Yeah, have fun doing these micro challenges on the strip.
I will. And I'm gonna save the world too, without you.
Fine, then let... Goody two-shoes Regina, always trying to do what's right and stuff. She's not acting like my sister. She would have understand how moody I get, and she would have left me alone. Who's that?
What? I don't think you can see it here.
No, it can't be. I must be seeing things.
Oh, crap.
Peterson, you gotta get in here.
Okay, multiple prisoners spotted outside the safe house. This is what Peters was planning? He sent his goons here to the safe house? For what? I thought he was trying to get the rest of the spy ninjas. Unless that's what he's doing right now.
I'm gonna call Peterson and come on by and bring the rest of the boys. Let's wait out here real quick just in case there's any booby traps or anything.
Okay, that doesn't sound like good news. There's only 4 of them right now, and I think that guy's gonna call Peters and the boys to come through. It's not good. I can't take on 4 people alone. I gotta get back inside. Maybe call the others. I wonder if they're getting attacked too. Come on, side gate. Okay. Should I even call the spy ninjas? I mean, they're probably fine. If they're all together, then I think they can handle a couple of prisoners. Come on, I gotta tell one of the spy ninjas what's going on. I mean, I don't need them, but I could use some help. No, you know what? I can handle this myself. Okay, what's first step? What's the first thing to do? First step here is, okay, well, there's prisoners on the premises, so security camera. Daniel knows how to work the security system. I can't call Daniel. I gotta call Daniel. No, he's probably with Regina already. They're probably kissing and stuff. Okay, you know what? Let's just call him. Daniel, hey!
Hey, what's going on?
I'm just wondering if you could give me access to the security cameras.
But what for? Why are you looking at the security cameras?
I don't really check security cameras. I'm just trying to make sure I ordered a package, and I just wanted to see if the delivery guy dropped it off or something, or if anybody took it.
Okay, sure. But Melvin, are you sure you're all right? Like, you kind of stormed off a couple days ago. We haven't seen you since. Are you all right?
Yeah, dude. Everything's all right. Okay, thanks, bye.
Melvin?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
That was weird. All right, well, yeah, Melvin, he should be okay. I mean, Regina went to go make sure he's fine. Regina's there, right? I don't know, but that's just Melvin being Melvin. You know that boy, he crazy. I'm just gonna enjoy a staycation on the Las Vegas Strip.
Thank you, Daniel. Oh, no. Rip.
Oh, crap. This ain't good. This ain't good at all.
Safe house is under attack. Or is it? Is this what Peters was threatening us about? I definitely gotta call the spy ninjas. But I don't need them.
What? Oh, no. Ah, crud. Okay.
And there's probably more in the back. I gotta grab a ninja gadget. Need a big gadget. Huge gadget. Oh, no.
Oh, man, there we go.
Okay, I'm gonna need like 27 ninja gadgets. Need a big ninja gadget. I don't know where any.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I think they see me. They definitely see me. Oh, no.
No! No! Oh. Okay, call Chad. Absolutely need to call Chad. Hey, Chad!
Yeah, Melvin, what's up?
I'm having a tough time chopping this really, really big watermelon. And I'm hoping you could tell me where your largest ninja gadget is. I'm talking about like the biggest blade you got.
Oh, cool. Okay. My giant swords. Oh, I've got like a Legend of Zelda giant one. I keep it out back in the shed.
Okay, yeah, I'll go check it out, thanks. Yeah, I'll chop up enough watermelon for all of us. Thank you, bye.
Mel? What? Oh, he hung up.
Go to the shed,
Man, Melvin's sure been acting weird. I guess he's felt left out all week. I guess chopping fruit will cheer him up a little bit, right? Agent Peters said something's gonna happen today. I don't know what he's planning, but it's something crazy. But so far, nothing's really happened. And Melvin's stressing, sure, but other than that, everything's fine and dandy. So maybe he's bluffing.
Okay, gotta go around the side here. Cause remember all those hackers in the back? Okay, they don't know I'm back here. Just need to get this thing open. Oh no.
What is the code?
Well, at least they're preoccupied. I gotta call V. V knows all the locking codes to everything around the safe house. Hey, V!
Melvin, hi.
Hey, V, I was gonna clean up the backyard and I was wondering if you knew the code to the shed.
Okay, Melvin, if you're gonna clean and have everything spotless, I'll text it to you.
Yeah, thanks, V.
Is everything okay, Melvin?
Don't be worried. The safe house will be clean of all of the dirt that's currently in it. Bye.
Okay, that was weird.
Well, now, let's do it.
Okay, Spy Ninjas, that call was kind of weird with Melvin. He's usually not that nice, and offering to do chores around the house? What? That's very unlike him. Maybe he's trying to do something nice for all of us because he's probably been feeling a little left out. He kept saying he was like the fifth wheel when we did our double date thing, but I mean, we included him. Oh, pass. Maybe he's going through a phase.
Yes! Oh no! Oh! Come on, I need to get Yeah, that's right! Get on, get! Huh? Yeah, I got a giant ninja gadget here!
Yes! These prisoners don't want to get cut up by me. I should go out in front and get all of them down. It's gonna be great!
Oh yeah, these guys don't know what's coming up.
Whoa. We're not here to fight or anything, man. We're just here to deliver a message for Peters. Peters wants to talk to you.
He does?
Yes, dude. I don't want to get chopped up, man.
Yeah, then get on now and tell Peters I'm ready.
Oh, I got you.
That's right.
That's right, y'all better leave. But what does he mean Peters wants to talk to me? Is this what this is all about? The June 5th thing that Peters was talking about? He just wants to talk to me? Wonder what he wants. I gotta call Allie. Let her know I'm about to meet with her brother. But, okay. Hey, Allie, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you? What's up?
Nothing, I just had a question about your brother. He hasn't, said anything about me recently, has he?
I mean, no, he hasn't told me about anything recently, other than when he told us both that he wanted to talk to you.
Okay, yeah, because I think I have to talk to him shortly, and I just would want to know what he's trying to say. You know your brother.
What's up? What's going on?
Maybe it's not a big deal. It's probably something regarding the sleeves on the prisoner outfits. Okay, bye.
That was weird.
Oh man, this is so messy right now. What is going on here?
I think something's going on. Something just doesn't feel right. I know Agent Peters is after Melvin or wants to talk to him. And frankly, I kind of feel like Melvin might be considering talking to him too. I hope he knows better.
I don't need the rest of the spy ninjas. I could figure this out myself. And I've been doing a pretty good job of doing so right now, I think. What would Chad do anyways, huh? He wouldn't be able to fight off any of these prisoners. And what would V do? Scream them away or something? Daniel and Regina just hack the prisoners? I don't think we're set to deal with this threat right now. It's Peters. What do you want?
Hey Melvin, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going just like your prisoners. I'll scare them off. Leave me alone, Peters. What do you want?
No need to freak out, Melvin. You can put down the weapon.
Okay? And then what? So you can come by and beat me up or take advantage of the other spy ninjas or something?
No. Look, as a show of grace, I'll even call my guys off.
Yeah? What is this all about, Peters? What do you want?
I just want to talk to you, Melvin, and only you.
No crazy tricks?
Of course not.
Okay, fine. But I want to see you call off all these prisoners first. Okay?
Sure.
I mean, so far so good, right? June 5th, nothing really happened.
Did something happen to you? No, nothing at all. What's with this June 5th thing?
Guys, are you guys okay?
Yeah.
Anything happen?
You look really out of breath, V. What happened?
I've just been running, but it's okay. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm just a little dehydrated.
Oh, look who's here.
I just came from the safe house. It looks like we're all fine, but my brother is still at the safe house. He won't listen to me. He's been acting really weird.
Did he ask you anything about a code to the shed in the backyard?
Nope.
He did call me and was asking some weird questions about my ninja weapons.
Yeah, he asked me for my security camera access.
What? Why?
Okay, yeah, my woman's intuition's kicking in. I think we better go back to the safe house and check on him.
Never ignore V's woman's intuition.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa, Peters!
It's all good. Hello, Melvin.
You still got guys with you. What's the meaning of this?
All right, you guys are good. Head on back to the warehouse, all right? See? Yep, close it, close it.
What is this all about, huh? You threaten all the spy ninjas that you're gonna do something today, and this is it?
Yes, this is it. See, it's nothing crazy, it's nothing dangerous. Look, Melvin, we became close in prison. You kind of left without us. I broke us out, and we went our separate ways ever since.
Yeah, because I'm a spy ninja, and you're just evil.
No, not evil. I just have my own goals. Spy ninjas have their goals. Sometimes those goals cross paths. You know, that's it.
Yeah, I get it, but why bring us into all of this, Peters? Why don't you just leave the spy ninjas alone?
That's actually exactly what I'm here to talk to you about today. I'm going to humble myself a little. Melvin, we were friends in prison. We had a connection. I want you to join my team. And if you join us, I will leave the spy ninjas alone forever. Okay? That's it.
Why me, though, out of everyone else? This is just because we're friends?
Because of the one question I know you've been asking yourself this whole time. Are you really a spy ninja? What I'm gonna do is extend my hand out. Now, Melvin, you want me and my boys to stop messing with the spy ninjas, you just gotta join my team. Come on, Melvin. Remember those times?